From the dawn of humanity we've been drawn to competition. The thrill of the chase, the clash of strength and skill, the roar of the crowd. These are primal instincts. What were once simple fields and tracks have transformed into technological marvels, pushing the boundaries of design and innovation. Join me now as we journey to the far corners of the globe, exploring the most extraordinary sports venues ever conceived. Let the games begin. Our first stop takes us to the shimmering shores of Qatar, a nation renowned for its ambition and architectural marvels. Here, on the glistening waters of the Persian Gulf, lies a testament to human ingenuity, the floating stadium. Like a mirage shimmering under the desert sun, this marvel of modern engineering isn't anchored to the land like traditional stadiums. Designed to be entirely disassembled, its individual modules can be transported and reassembled in different configurations like building blocks of sporting dreams, a sustainable solution for a world grappling with the legacy of mega events. From the vastness of the desert, we journey to the neon-drenched heart of the Nevada desert, Las Vegas, a city synonymous with spectacle and entertainment. Here, amidst the dazzling lights and pulsating energy, rises the Sphere, a monument to sensory overload. Imagine stepping inside a giant, glowing orb. Its exterior, a canvas for dazzling light, shows visible for miles. Cutting-edge acoustics transport you from the roar of a packed stadium to the hushed intimacy of a concert hall, while artificial intelligence tailors the experience to each individual. This is the future of fan engagement, a seamless blend of the real and the virtual. Our journey takes us now to the foothills of the Caucasus Mountains, to the city of Sochi, Russia. Here, amidst a landscape of snow-capped peaks in the Black Sea, stands a testament to architectural versatility, the Iceberg Skating Palace. Born from the legacy of the Winter Olympics, this gleaming structure resembles a colossal iceberg rising from the landscape. The ice disappears, replaced by a concert stage, the air alive with the thrumming bass of a rock concert, or the soaring melodies of an opera. This is a venue that defies categorization, a chameleon of entertainment. From the icy landscapes of Russia, we venture to the vibrant heart of South America, to the city of Curitiba, Brazil. Here, nestled amidst a sprawling urban landscape, lies a beacon of hope for the future of sustainable sport, the Eco Stadium. Sunlight streams through massive skylights illuminating the field below, while natural ventilation systems capture cooling breezes, eliminating the need for energy-guzzling air conditioning. Rainwater is carefully collected and repurposed, nourishing the lush greenery that surrounds the stadium. This is more than just a stadium, it's a living, breathing example of how sport can exist in harmony with nature. Our final destination takes us to the bustling metropolis of Singapore, a city-state renowned for its futuristic skyline and cutting-edge innovation. And at its heart, a marvel of engineering stretches towards the heavens, the Singapore Sports Hub. Imagine a colossal dome, an architectural marvel, housing a miniature city of sport within its embrace. Its retractable roof, a marvel of engineering, opens and closes like a giant eye, adapting to the vagaries of the tropical climate. This is a glimpse into the future of sport, a world where technology and innovation combine to create unforgettable experiences. As we've witnessed, the world of sport is evolving at a breathtaking pace. From floating stadiums that defy geographical boundaries, to arenas that blur the lines between reality and fantasy, these innovative venues are pushing the limits of human ingenuity. These are the arenas where legends will be made, where records will be shattered, and where memories will be etched into the hearts and minds of millions. So tell me, which of these marvels of modern engineering has captured your imagination? Let me know in the comments below. The future of sport promises to be just as thrilling, as innovative, and as awe-inspiring as the games themselves.